Good morning, welcome to subramani.com. I thought I should address this question of why I have started doing these YouTube videos. Uh, Before the lockdown, I was intimidated. I thought I need a better camera, I need lighting, I need editing facilities, or I was made to believe, I was told these things and I found it convenient to believe whatever. So I was a little, worried as to will the quality be good, will the sound be heard, and all those things. But then there was this lockdown, you couldn't move out of the house, and I had a decent camera. So, let me admit, it's a Chinese camera. And I decided to make a start, and it's done well. I have upwards of 2,000 subscribers. And I also believe I shouldn't have listened to the naysayers who said, "Acha nahi hoga, it won't look professional, people won't watch." Complete nonsense. If you got decent content, people watch. People watch right up to the end, and this is proof that people watch my 7-minute videos for 5.5 minutes, and if I put a 15-minute video, people watch it for 10, 12 minutes. Yes, people don't watch it completely till the end, but yes, people do watch it. This is average, so obviously some of you are watching till the end, and some of you are watching for a very short period. That's fine. Why am I running a blog? I had no clue why, when I started this blog, why I was running a blog, but I was running a blog, I was enjoying it, I was doing one page a day for sure. So please visit subramani.com. You will know a little more about me, and you will see my history of 12 years. I started in 2008, so history of 12 years plus is there on my blog. My videos, of course, are a lockdown special, because I found a lot of time and I said, let me create this. Am I writing to influence the mutual fund industry? Give me a break. No way. They don't listen to me anyway, so that's not the purpose. Am I doing it to influence the regulator? No, regulators don't listen anyway to anybody. So I am a very small nobody. So there is no way how the regulator is even watching my videos or reading my blog. Some of them say they do, but I am doubtful. Will the mutual fund industry change because of what I say? Again, doubtful. There are much better people than I am. They write well, they have blogs, their blogs are, people are scared of reading their blogs, but still, changes is not something which they will make. Anything that gets in their way of profits, whether short term or long term, very unlikely that they will hear. So what am I doing this for? Whom am I writing this for? Whom am I shooting this for? Why am I doing it in so many languages? Just hold on, let me tell you. This is meant for you. So therefore I don't take ads. Of course you will see Google ads popping up now and then, whether in my blog or in my vlog. But that's the minimum at which I have kept it, and if it is too interfering, I may even remove it. It's not a Google AdSense is not a great way of making money for monetizing your blog or whatever it means. What makes sense is to take money from manufacturers and try writing what they want me to write or saying what they want me to say. It's too painful, because then you will have to give them a lot of data. How many people come to your blog? Who reads it? Are there women? Are there men above 55? I have no intentions of culling out all that data to be given to somebody just because he's paying me an X amount of money. I just don't want to do it. I honestly don't care about who's reading my blog, as long as I get very good responses of people saying, well, good Subra, the equity culture will improve, and stuff like that. That's a kick, and believe me, that's a huge kick. Getting a response from you for whatever I've written, good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. I have a 100% tolerance. I have zero edit policy, except for people who spam saying, can I have your WhatsApp number? Can I do this? Can I do that? No, I will not respond to that. I will respond when I want to. If I see a good mail and that person, I think we can do something together, yes, I will do that. But no promises on that. I will not give you, I may not reply to every mail that I get in the sense, but yeah, you will see the changes. I mean, people have asked me for why should you have 2 credit cards? I have answered it separately. People ask me, why should I invest in an index fund? Maybe one of these days I'll take down all those questions and give a response, and that is possible. So largely this is meant so that so many years experience of mine shouldn't go waste. People should learn. So I will talk a lot about equity, about financial planning, about direct equity investing, mutual fund investing. I'll talk about it not particularly in an organized manner. Maybe I'll put all of this in some playlist. But I'm still not promising you that I will put the sequence right. So you will know all retirement videos are in one place, all Tamil videos are in one place, all Gujarati videos are in one place. But the sequence may be just haphazard because it could be asked on the basis of date and not really on the basis of topics. So broadly, this is why I am here. I hope you have fun watching. I hope you have fun reading my blog, which let me repeat is www.subramony.com. You will find a much wider range of articles there, facts, analysis and all that. So come here, have fun. Right now it's free and I don't even think I'll go behind a paywall. So enjoy yourself. Thank you.